Good afternoon, boys and girls. Mrs. Geico here, back again with some more strategies for helping to solve math word problems. Today, we're going to continue looking at the cube strategy to unpack the word problem, but we're going to use a different strategy to solve the word problem today. Okay, so today, boys and girls, I have 3 helpers with me to help me solve this problem. Aaron, Lucas, and Jonathan. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Okay, so let's look at our cube strategy. Let's unpack this problem. So we're going to start off with the C, which is circling the important numbers. Then we're going to go down to the U and underline the question. Then the B, we're going to box the operation clues. The E, we're going to examine the question. We're going to look at the labels we need, what information we have, and what information we need. And then we're going to solve the problem step by step. So here's the problem of the day. There were some Legos in a bucket. 50 Legos spilled out of the bucket. Then there were 33 Legos in the bucket. How many Legos were in the bucket before? Okay, so let's look at this and use our cube strategy to unpack it. There were some Legos in a bucket. Aaron, are there any important numbers in that sentence?
Some Legos.
Some Legos. So we're going to circle some Legos. Okay? 50 Legos spilled out of the bucket. Lucas, what number is in that sentence? Jonathan, you want to help him out?
50 Legos.
50 Legos. Very good. Okay. Then there were 33 Legos in the bucket. How many Legos were left in the bucket, Lucas? Do you remember what I said? No? There's a 3 and a 33. Very good. 33 Legos left in the bucket. So we're going to circle 33 Legos. Now, we have to go down to the U and we have to underline the question. Jonathan, can you tell me what was the question that we have to answer in this problem?
How many Legos were in the bucket before?
How many Legos were in the bucket before? Very good. So now as we continue to use our cube strategy, the B stands for box operation clues. Now if we look over here, we have some words that could be clues. Some of these words might be in our word problem, and some of them might not be. But can anybody tell me any words that they see here that could help us figure out what we might need to do to solve this problem? Aaron? Spilled out. Very good. I think that's an excellent choice. Anybody else? Jonathan? Before. That's another good one. Okay. Now we have to examine the question. What label will my answer have? So when I answer my question, what am I going to label it with, Jonathan?
Legos.
Legos. Very good. And what do I know? Jonathan again.
You know that that 50 Legos spilled out of the bucket, and that that after the Legos spilled out, there were 33 Legos left in the bucket.
Very good. And what information do I need to find out, Aaron?
You need to find out what did they start at?
What
Amount of Legos did they start at? And 50 Legos spilled out.
Exactly.
And now there's 33 left.
Exactly. So now we're going to use one of our tools called a part-whole map to figure out if we have to add or subtract to get our answer. So if I have some Legos and then I lose some more, would the some Legos that I start with be the whole that I had?
Yes.
Yes, it would. Okay, so I'm going to put that right there. So if 50 Legos spilled out, is that a part?
Yes.
Yes.
That is that.
Very good. And Lucas, is those 33 Legos the other part? Yes, very good. Okay, so now if I look here at my little, I like to call it my little cheat sheet. If I have a whole and a part, I have to subtract to get the other part. And if I have a part and a part, that tells me I have to add to get the whole. So, if I look at my part whole, I know I have 50 part here and 33 parts here, so I have to get the whole. So part plus part equals whole. So what am I going to do? Add or subtract, Jonathan? Add. So today we're going to use an open number line to add this problem. So our problem is 50 plus 33. And we want to figure out what that equals. Aaron, should we start at 50 or should we start at 33? What do you think? 50.
Because
Okay.
that's a bigger number.
50 because it's a bigger number. Very good. Now, I have to add this in parts. So first I have to add the tens. How many tens am I going to add to 50? Lucas?
33.
Not 33, just 3, okay? Because we have 3 tens. So now I'm going to make 3 jumps and put plus 10 over each. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Why did I put plus 10 over each jump, Aaron?
Because so they can know that that you added 110.
Each one is 110. And how many tens did I need to add?
3.
3. So if I count now, 50 plus 10 gives me what?
80.
No. 50 plus 10.
60.
60. Very good. And then if I have 60 and I add 10 more, Jonathan?
70.
70. And 70 and I add 10 more. Lucas? Do you know?
80.
80. Very good, Lucas.
I
Now, so I've added my 3 tens. What do I need to add now?
3 ones.
3 ones. Exactly, because I have 3 ones in the tens column. So I'm going to make 3 jumps. What do you think I'm going to put on top of those 3 jumps, Jonathan?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Why?
Because you're only adding 1 unit.
I'm only adding 1 unit. Very good. So now I have to count. Where am I going to start counting from when I add these 3 ones?
80.
80. So let's all count together. Ready? 81, 82, 83. So 50 plus 33 is 83. So how many Legos were in the bucket before, Aaron?
83.
83 what?
Legos.
Legos. Very good. Don't forget to label your answers. Come back again, boys and girls, and see what other strategies we have to show you.